Today I had Chris from Innotec pop in to show me their 2K plastic repair adhesive. Gave this panel a really light clean and an even lighter key of say 180. Then he applied the product. I put on a bit of aluminium tinfoil just to hold the back and get the shape in the back section. Cured it in it's probably actually about 5 minutes before I started sanding it. I used this on a DA, it was 180 that I used. I probably should have gone in here with a soft interface pad just to get that final shape, but this was only a demo to see how well the product actually performed. Using the little router on the Dremel, I sanded out just to get the shape in of this particular lug that I was repairing. Everything worked really well with the sanding and the curing process. I was really impressed with that. And shortly you'll see how it turned out. Little final sand there. I don't know why I did this because it was like a demo, but there you go. So for something that a panel that I hadn't cleaned, hadn't really keyed, the strength of the actual product to it was really impressive. So yeah, it's definitely a plastic repair adhesive that's worth considering.